This is the Ailunce HA1UV. Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. This is the Ailunce HA1UV. Everything that comes in the box. You get a carry strap. You get a belt clip. Pretty simple, straightforward owner's manual. A desk stand and charging cradle that's powered by USB-C. A USB-A to USB-C charging cable. You're going to need to bring your own wall wart, and you get one sexy beast of a radio. Let me tell you about this thing's features. If you're out and about, it has direct USB plug for charging in the car. 256 channels. Rugged construction. NOAA weather channels, scanning and weather alerts. PTT, sub-PTT, and programmable buttons. DTMF, 2800 milliamp hour battery. 144 to 148 megahertz, 420 to 450 megahertz, transmit and receive. IP67 waterproof. Still looking good. Let's test some harmonics on this radio. I'm going to use the Tiny SA Ultra, which will get you all the harmonics on 2 meters in one sweep. And I'm going to test on high, medium, and low power. Looks like she's pretty clean. Now it's time to test the power on this. This is low power, 0.64 watts. This is medium power, 1.77 watts. This is high power, 3 watts. This is low power 70 centimeters, 0.5 watts. This is medium power 70 centimeters, 2.66 watts. This is high power 70 centimeters, 4.9 watts. Now we're going to try it with a super elastic signal stick antenna. Of course, it's the perfect color of red. This is 146.52 high power, 7.2 watts. SWR of 19.99 to 1. Nice. I pulled out the coax jumper that I had sitting there. Let's test it again. 3.6 watts, 1.02 to 1 SWR. And we are on high power. See the H right there on the screen. Don't let anybody tell you that antenna and coax don't matter. So I'm normally not all that excited by yet another 2 meter, 70 centimeter radio. But this one is pretty rugged. They sent me this video showing them driving over the radio with a car. And it looks like it is, I don't know, like a BMW X3 size or something, so kind of like a mini SUV. Let's take a look. Proving that the two radios are working, real radios. Put that down under the front tire. He's got the screen pointed up. I mean, if I was going to do it, I'd point the screen up. Oh! Come on, pick it up. Let's see it. Doesn't even look like it got a scratch. Oh man, it still works too. That's awesome. My truck is 9,000 pounds. I'm not driving over any radios at all. But it's pretty cool that they showed you that. One of the things that's always important to me is, can you program the radio from the front panel to connect to a local repeater? So I'm going to program in my local repeater here, and its receive frequency is 14712. So 14712, got it. And then we need to go into the menu, and we need to go into channel, and then I'm going to edit VFOA. And here's a whole bunch of settings for VFOA. Let's get back up to the top and just do them one at a time. Channel alias, if I wanted to give it a name, let's go down to the next one, bandwidth, wide, perfect. Receive frequency is what I typed in, 14712. Transmit frequency, 14712. It's actually a +6 offset, so 14772. Save, confirm. If yes, menu key again. Done. Okay, so we've got that set. CTC DCS, so this is my tones, and you can set one for receive and one for transmit, so that's going to be fantastic. The tone on this is 123, but this is actually kind of interesting because I didn't know it at first. You press the pound key to cycle through the different kinds of settings. So CTC of none, or CTC of whatever setting you want, or DCS, or DCSI, or back to none. And then I got a little stuck, but this radio has a knob on top. So if we turn that knob, I'll just turn it right to 123, which is the tone for this repeater. And there we are, 123. Confirm. Squelch level, if you care, it's set to 4. TX power, set that to high or middle or low or whatever you please. I'm going to set it to high. Permission set, so I can actually edit this so that it has a timeout timer of 180 seconds, and I can not allow transmit. So if I wanted to program in something I wanted to scan or listen to and not transmit on, I could do that. And then there's a couple of settings. So always allow, CTC or DCS match. The channel is free, so it's got a busy channel lockout, so it won't transmit if somebody else is already transmitting. Receive only, and always allow. Signaling system, no signaling, or system 1. We'll leave that at no signaling. Scan list, if you wanted to put it in a scan list. Emergency list, if you wanted to put it in an emergency list. Talk around and reversal, if you wanted to talk around and reverse. Vox enable, if you wanted Vox. And that's it. This is the N6 RDS repeater, and I'm using the stock antenna that it comes with. I'm on high power, and I'm outside. And we got it. So the radio is perfectly readable in the outdoor sunlight. It is a problem with the camera lens. Let me give you an idea what it looks like inside. So not too bad on the inside in the camera, but good enough by the old Mark I eyeball either way. If you'd like to learn about new radios on the day that they are released, then this is the channel for you. Right below the video, there is a subscribe button. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss all the latest news in the ham radio world. If you'd like to get one of these radios today, there are links for Amazon, eBay, and the Ailunce website where you can get one of these. And I'll even include a $10 off discount code for you down there. I've got a video right over here I think you will enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.